You're not ready to go viral? Not yet. Not ready yet. Or do you think you're ready? Going viral requires so much preparation mentally, emotionally. Let me tell you, I have a channel, not a channel, have a page on Instagram, and it went viral a few times. And I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready for the ding, 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 ding coming through on the phone. I had to silence that. I wasn't ready for the trolls, the negative comments. I wasn't ready for all of the followers. I wasn't ready for it. I was not prepared to go viral. Do you think you're ready? I had to silence the post. I had to archive it in order for it to stop with the likes and the comments. And so I gave it like a day of archiving. I unarchived it, if that's a word. Went right back to the ding, 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 like. I don't know. Comments, new follower, 100 plus, 100 plus. The hype is overrated. Because what we got out of that page was a bunch of people who liked that one specific post, but never engaged again. They followed and never engaged again. I didn't understand what the purpose was hitting follow was for. Like, you can hit like and not follow. So that kind of messes up your numbers as far as when you continue to post additional content and no one engages, but you have so many followers. So what I really want is sustainability, not virality. So I'm going to explain. What are your thoughts about going viral? Let me know in the comments. Now, going viral might sound like a dream, like, oh, I finally made it. People like me, they really like me. My impressions are high, my likes are high. I'm getting a boost in followers. But what you realize is that they only really like that one specific post that went viral, or that one specific video that went viral, and not necessarily your whole page. So when I say I'm looking for sustainability instead of virality, if I'm saying that right, just being viral, I want the engagement to be consistent, just like I want to be consistent on my page with my topics, my schedule, everything. I want everything to be well-rounded and consistent. Now, mind you, I would love to get out there and have the masses see my content and really like it and engage. But the truth behind viral content sometimes is that that doesn't happen. And then you have to be prepared for the negativity behind being viral, which is the trolls and the negative comments. Of course, you can silence them. You can also, like, if you notice that there's a specific word that keeps popping up, you can go into your keywords and hide those keywords, and therefore you won't see those in the comments. But you have to be prepared to go viral. So of course there's a lot of upsides to it, but there's also the downsides, and you just want to weigh those and make sure that you are balanced in both and ready, right? So of course the upside is a whole lot more followers, like a boost in followers, but you also have to realize that, I won't say that they're not genuine, but more than likely, most of those people aren't the audience that you really want. That's what I'll say. A lot more likes on that specific post, so you're getting a lot more engagement there with the comments. You feel good about that, like it's kind of a high, like you feel like you're being recognized instantly. You're on your road to success because of it. Those are the feelings that you might get initially. So you have to determine, do I want to be viral or do I want sustainability? But then when you think about it a little bit longer, as you're continuing to go viral, it's like, okay, so now what's next? What do I have to do next in order to keep this momentum going? You start to feel the pressure of, what do I have to do to keep this high going, right? How do I replicate this success? And then you start to, oh, okay, I got to do X, Y, Z. I got to make it look exactly the same as last time. And you start overproducing. And then again, you might just start losing quality in your posting, in your videos, because you're, again, thinking about frequency on getting that information out as soon as possible, or that post out as soon as possible. So now you get ready to lose yourself. So calm down, right? Take a moment. Let that post simmer down, and then let yourself simmer down as well. It's going to be okay. If you are going to post something and it happened to go viral, let that happen. As long as it's something that you know that you're going to do consistently, there's no need to pressure yourself to hurry up and get something else out right away. Stay on your consistent schedule. Stay in your right mind, because it might drive you crazy. Okay, I got this viral post. I'm getting so many followers. I got to do something now. No, you don't. Sit down. You'll be okay. Learn from me. Because when we went viral the first time, I was like, oh my gosh, so many comments, so many people, so much. Oh my goodness. It was overwhelming. Like I said, I had to silence the post. I had to archive it. And I think I archived it maybe about 5 times because I didn't want it to not be on our page. But I didn't want the continued recognition after a point in time, because it became too much. I think it got over, I know it was over 1 million views, and then thousands and thousands of comments, thousands and thousands of likes. It became too much. But then I knew the next time what I had to be prepared for, mentally prepared for the trolls and the negative comments. So I stacked up on keywords to hide. That way I didn't see those comments. So like I said, also you need to know that just because you're going viral and you're getting those followers, you also have to know that they're only following you for that one post. A lot of them, they're not necessarily there to engage again. That's why I'm like, just don't even follow me. There's no need. You can like it, you can leave a comment, share it, whatever you like. Just don't follow me if you don't think you're going to engage with me any further. That is my thought process, right? So again, that goes back to the video where I talked about quality views and quality subscribers. That is what we want whenever we have a viral moment. I'm not saying we don't ever want to have a viral moment. I'm just saying
You're not ready.
You're not ready right now, especially as a new creator.
You're not ready to go viral.
It can become very overwhelming, and the pressure can be very high for a long amount of time, as long as your video is viral and you feel like, I got to respond to every comment. I got to do, oh, you see my notebook, right? I need my notes. I got to respond to every comment. No, you don't. You can hit like, you can hit a thumbs up, you can do whatever. But of course, you know, as you engage, it's going to keep the posts continuing to go out. So if you don't want to keep the engagement going, stop it and let it die down on its own. And then you feel again like you have that instant recognition. You want that recognition. You want it to even last beyond that viral post, right? So you want to sustain that same type of energy as you continue on your journey, not just when you become viral. So as we talk about sustainability as a new content creator, is your catalog of content, your previous videos, is it enough to sustain those new followers? Is your catalog in line with the post that went viral, that will make them go through and look at your previous post as well and say, oh, I like this. I really am going to engage. I really am going to subscribe. And this is going to be somebody who's a part of your tribe because they like your vibe. right? Corny, but yeah. So let's say, for example, we'll equate your channel with an actual house. And you know that every house has to have a foundation for it to stand on and for it to stand over a long period of time. So just like the house needs a foundation, your channel needs a good foundation, a good catalog of content, so that when you invite people into your house, into your channel, it can withhold or sustain the growth that happens over time. So make sure that your catalog of content is good, it's on a good foundation, and you're ready for that viral moment when it happens, which will give you more sustainability over time because you will have lots of other things for people to look at beyond that viral post. I was watching a video this morning, and I want to say it was Jeff Lubin again. Jeff, if you hear me say your name one more time, you're doing such a great job. I can't help it but share your videos. So the video was saying something. I might have written it down. Hold on, give me 1 second. When that one video hits, will your catalog sustain you or complement you or that viral video? That's exactly what I was thinking. And I'm only saying that because you want to be able to sustain that engagement beyond one viral post. So you want to have a good amount of content where they can take a look at your catalog and make a better determination. Am I going to be a real engaged subscriber to this channel, or am I only subscribing because of that one viral post? So we're going to have to give them options and have them make a better decision based on our catalog. One of the things that I wrote down is that I want my channel to grow slowly in order for it to be sustainable. Like, it's not going to give me as much pressure because I'm going viral that I feel like I'm forced to do more videos, more videos, more videos. I feel like kind of like the tortoise and the hare story, where the tortoise took its time. The hare was running real fast. He would look back and see that the tortoise was nowhere to be found. And so he could relax. He went off and got something to eat. He took his time and was like, that tortoise can't beat me. And what happened in the end? Even though the tortoise was very slow, he took his time, he was methodical. And by the time the hare got close to the finish line, he was so tired from running so fast from the beginning that he couldn't even make it over the finish line before the tortoise got there. Now, I say all that to say slow growth is probably the best way to go because you're learning yourself, you're learning how to create, you're becoming a better content creator every single day that you make a video or edit or make a thumbnail. Every single day you're learning something new. So I would rather slow growth than a viral post. And that rhymes. Being slow gives you time to refine your skills and your content. It gives you time to build a loyal and connected community. It gives you time to discover your uniqueness, your secret sauce, which is yourself. It gives you time to discover that and how you want to share it on your page, on your channel. So take your time. Slow growth is normally better than fast, normally. Now, of course, there are exceptions to the rule. There are some people who really can just say, you know what, I want a viral video now. I know what I need to do. I'm new here, but I'm ready. My mind is ready. I have systems set up in place where I can respond to every comment. They might be ready, but the majority of us, as we are new here, we need time to get used to it. We need time to understand how we are on this page. And see, slow growth is more sustainable. It gives you that time to develop into who you truly are and how you want to be presented to the world. And like I said earlier, I have another video, the one where we talk about the quality versus the quantity. So I think that one is labeled, I know it's labeled consistency does not equal frequency. So check that one out. And we talk about the quality of our views and the quality of our subscribers that we want on our page. And then I also have another video where I discuss how many videos does it take to become successful on YouTube. And that might be something that you can look into and help you as well on your road to success here on YouTube, that it's a slow grind. You might have a viral video one day and it might come quick. You just don't know. But at the same time, you have to take your time and you have to know that everything is not quick. Your number of videos before you hit this viral moment could be 500. It could be 20. It could be 35, 100. You just don't know. So just take a look at that video and hope that helps you as well. Again, thank you for being here. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.